You have made an impressive start. You mentioned some numbers yourself on the lending side. There, the apprehension is that while you have proved yourself on the payment side, you've not proved yourself on the financial services bit yet, because you don't have that relevant experience yet. And you are operating at an end of the market with your buy now, pay later kind of mechanisms or offerings, where you're reaching out to fairly small ticket retail borrowers or small merchants, and there could be asset quality issues down the line. Do you see that as a risk for Paytm's financial services arm?
Whether this is a small size loan, so it is not impactful, I'll say again, once again, that our responsibility or a business model success obligation is to bring these customers on mainstream of economy. Our obligation is to bring these customers with financial institutions who do not have wherewithal or the cost to acquire and serve these customers to them. In other words, we are bringing something new to a bank or a new to a NBFC, and that is what the magic of Paytm is here. That is exactly what we want to be. Once we have started to issue a loan, let's say of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees at the fair rate that we're talking, not the micro lending or some other magically costly rates, then this customer becomes a prime customer for some next loan, next credit cycle that they would need, and that we've seen again build up there. So our journey starts from small. Our journey starts from small disbursement, collections, technology help to the financial institution to underwrite, and the journey scales to next level. And that, I think, is what we are seeing phenomenally well done. This is what I was quoting as an example of KPIs that we wish to quickly turn out to the market, that look how the model is. And then your question is also correct, fair, that you can say that we are not experienced here, and which is totally true, because we started in June 2020. It's a little more than a year yet, so experience is obviously obligatory not there. But what I'm very proud of is the team and technology, and then the experience of our partner bank. Let's say, imagine HDFC, who's our partner bank, and ICICI, and then Aditya Birla Finance or Clicks Capital and Clicks Finance. These companies have huge capital access and their ability of underwrite. We sort of have come out together, where the role that we do, we know well, and role that they do well. And that is the combination that I call a great partnership. We bring and take care of our part of the revenue.
Where will this journey take you though, Vijay? Because you mentioned the names of some banks, and I just want to interject here by asking you, do you see yourself moving seamlessly towards a small finance bank license? Is that your aspiration at Paytm? Or do you think the fact that there are many Chinese shareholders who still own a significant chunk of your company, could that be an obstacle?
So first of all, Udayan, the business model inevitably is to issue large number of people, large number of loans. So when you said that where does it take your company, our ambition is to bring 100 million loans on our platform. I mean, we're talking about tens of million users getting loans on our platform. We are talking about 50 million and 100 million people getting loan on our platform. Once we talk about how our quarterly numbers are showing up, and you can hold it for us that tell us when you're going to touch 100 million loans, you would see the phenomenally fast pace that we are reaching there, because this is what is the magic of the platform and the scale that we've built here. So where it is taking us, 100 million loans. And now the question of small finance bank. Remember, if you are going to help disperse 100 million loans, you're not going to disperse on one bank or one financial institution partner or platform of few. You're going to be partnering with number of financial institutions, amount of capital that they have access to, and amount of underwriting different segments and cohorts they do, which is what the keyword here is, and here the beauty is of our business model. We are talking about 100 million loans as a scale, and whether Paytm Payment Bank becomes a small finance bank or not, it does not matter as a key business obligation of our success.